Hey guys, welcome to the 2JZ channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the Box 3 race pad for your bicycle. These are very nice upgrade if you're planning to go on a track or freestyling. So yeah, let's take a look. It's a very nice construction. It's a one-piece whole molded design with a high quality aluminum metal outer shell, and we also have a very unique fan design for improved airflow and a dual compound material for improved braking power. They're very nice. It comes in multiple different colors, so you're able to change and customize the visual look of your bike setup. We have a red, gray, green, blue, and yellow. So far, I'm impressed by how they perform. They start on a dime, and yeah, we're gonna see how they sound and how they perform out on the street. And these are my original pads that came with the bike. As you can see, it's pretty worn out. Very easy to install. You just use the Allen key and unloosen it, and you can adjust it. And one thing I love about this is it has a very nice wider surface area for improved braking performance. Box 3.